These are like too good. Still just looking at my monitor and I'm like, oh my god. Only if you guys knew the excitement that I'm holding at the moment, because I have just got my hands on these two beauties. These are the NATASHA DENONA Chromium liquid eyeshadows. The two shades that I got was Dogbane and Infra Nude. Look at these beauties, and they are pretty small. That is the only sad thing, but oh, the excitement. Okay, so on Natasha Denona's YouTube channel, what she does is she layers a little bit of eyeshadow and then on top she goes on with these ones. Those look incredible on her channel. Little bit about Natasha Denona eyeshadows. They are incredibly good and brilliant to work with. So I have 3 palettes from her, and so the first one is Natasha Denona Sunset palette, and these, as you can see, are well used and abused. The next one is the Gold palette. I mean, this is like my go-to palette for brides. It has got a beautiful range of neutrals and colors as well, so that is another one. And this one is the Metropolis palette. So I cannot literally show you guys like that because I broke 2 shades in it, but this is also, oh my goodness, too good. So the consistency of these metallic chromium eyeshadows in these palettes are wonderful. Okay, so my voice says enough how beautiful it is. So first, maybe I want to swatch these two for you. Is Dogbane. I mean, if I move my hands around, do you see that different shades coming through? Like red, green, blue. And the next one is Infra Nude. Do you see that shift in colors? Oh, wow. So I think the only way to do justice with these eyeshadows is to put it on my eyes. So I'm gonna prime my eyelid first, as always, with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. So the first shade that I'm gonna lay on my eyes is this shade and this shade just onto my crease to create some depth. So on her YouTube channel, she creates different looks with her palettes, and those look so incredibly fascinating. I mean, it is so satisfying just the way she applies. And even these eyeshadows, like, they are so satisfying to use. It is like, it just blends in by its own. That kind of eyeshadow it is. And it does not fade at all throughout the day. It just stays exactly the way you lay them on. Now I want to move into the Metropolis palette and pick up this gorgeous reddish shade in the outer corner of my lids. I mean, the formulation of these eyeshadows are, I don't know what does she put in it, but it looks so vibrant on the eyes, and it is like my go-to palette for any client, even for myself. I just love this. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding a little bit here underneath my eyes and depositing the color right there. To start with, I am going to use the shade Dogbane. I'm directly going to apply it from the bullet. Wow. Let me try to just do this. See that? See that? Now, moving on to Infra Nude. And I'm gonna put it in the inner corners. Oh yeah. So this has more pinky shifts in it. Let it just dry a little bit. Now I am gonna dig into my Sunset palette because it has got a beautiful range of reds and brick reds, which I think will tie up the look beautifully. So I am going to use this shade, the red one, also this one, and a little bit of this one. In all my excitement, I forgot to put my mic on. So I am just intensifying the outer corner just to create some depth in there. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the similar colors which I put on my mobile lid. And then I am gonna take the shade Dog Bane again and just put it on my lower lash line, just in the middle of it, like just here, so that you see that pop of color. So even when I'm layering it, it does not mess with the base at all. For inner corners, I think I want to try it with a brush. Yeah, so I'm gonna pick some product with my brush, just put it here in the inner corners of my eyes, just to see how it performs with the brush. So because of this consistency, even if your eyeshadow look is not neat, it just falls into its place by itself. It is as pretty. So now let me just finish off the look. I think I no, I don't wanna add any falsies because that will ruin the gorgeousness of it. Let me pop in some mascara real quick. I don't think I want to add any eyeliner with this look because I really want these eyeshadows to stand out. So I think I just want to tightline with this Urban Decay Perversion eye pencil. And on my waterline, I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade Roach. Yeah. So I think I will quickly finish off my lips and I will be right back. So I have turned the light around just so that I can show you guys how the eyeshadow looks in the different lighting. I mean, please excuse the awkward movements of my head. I am just trying to get like different angles. I mean, oh, you pretty. You pretty. So it is going to look different shades from different angles, however the light is hitting you. Isn't that gorgeous? Seriously, I am in love with it. Wow. So that is all for this review of this NATASHA DENONA Chromium liquid eyeshadows, and I did forget to mention these are limited editions, so if you guys want to get your hands on it, get it faster. I mean, NATASHA DENONA, please, if you're watching this, make this permanent because these are gorgeous. I just noticed like even the lids are like chromium shade. What a gorgeous packaging is this! Brilliant! So that is all for tonight. I really hope you guys have enjoyed spending time with me today. So I hope this was informative and helpful for you, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this mini tutorial. And if you guys are wondering what do I have on my face, I am gonna put up a link of that tutorial and in the description box as well. Be sure to check that out. Subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and comment below which shade from the Natasha Denona Chromium eyeshadow range is your favorite. Until next time, stay blessed and beautiful. Mwah. Love you. Bye.